Gray code. Today we will discuss about gray code conversions, binary to gray, gray to binary conversions. So before that, we will see what is gray code. Gray code is a special case of unit distance code. What is this unit distance code? Unit distance code is nothing but bit patterns for two consecutive numbers differ only in one bit position. So if you take any two adjacent or the two consecutive numbers, that differs only in one bit position. For better understanding of this, we will see the decimal code for 0 to 15 numbers in binary and gray, so that we can understand this meaning. So these are the binary and gray representation of the decimal numbers 0 to 15. So just to see from the above line, unit distance code bit patterns for two consecutive numbers differs in only one bit position. So this line is justified over here. See, when we compare the two consecutive codes, this is all zeros and this is 1. So 1 unit distance is there. When you compare these two, whenever you compare with the consecutive codes, consecutive number codes, so only one bit position change is there. So this entire gray code differs only in one bit position when you check over all these codes, and these codes are also known as reflected codes. When you see this 0 to 15, so this 1 and 14, this is in the same pattern. These are like the reflected codes, you can say, and these gray codes are also known as cyclic codes. Binary to gray conversions. To convert a binary number to gray code, we are having a formula, so that we will see a binary number of 4 bits B1, B2, B3 and B4. So these are the bits of the binary number. So this binary number is to be converted to gray. So in order to convert a binary to gray, we are having a formula. So in gray, bits are represented as G1, G2, G3 and G4. This first MSB is written as it is. And coming to G2, G2 is equals to B2 XOR with previous bit B1. To obtain the second gray bit, binary second bit is XORed with the previous bit. And next, for the third gray bit, G3 is equals to B3 XOR with previous bit B2. And so on. We are having only 4 bits. Suppose if I take n number of bits, so n is equals to final bit is equals to Gn XOR with Gn minus 1. So this is the formula. From this formula we can obtain the gray code from the binary numbers. Let us take an example of 6-bit length. 1 1 0 0 1 0. This is a binary. Convert this binary to gray. So it is of 6-bit length. 1 1 0 0 1 0. So first bit is G1 is equals to B1. So next second bit G2 is equals to XORing B2 with B1. So 1 XOR 1 is nothing but 0. And next G3 is equals to XORing third bit with the second bit. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Similarly and so on. So we can write it as directly. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 can be written as, this is binary. Gray is the first MSB is written as it is, and the next is XORing this with this one, we get as 0, and XORing this with this one we get as 1. XORing this fourth bit with the third 0. XORing fifth with the fourth 1. XORing sixth with the fifth 1. So this is the process to obtain the gray code. So from these conversions of binary to gray using this formula, we can know how these gray codes are obtained in this table. Gray to binary. So gray to binary is also obtained with a logic. So let us take directly with an example. So gray code I am taking as 1 0 1 0 1 1. So to obtain its binary, the MSB is written as it is 1, and here also we will perform the XOR operation, but XOR operation is performed with the binary bits written over here, so not with the previous bit. So this bit is done XOR with this one. So 1 plus 0 is XOR operation is 1, and next for the third bit we need to do XOR with this bit and with the next bit of this gray code. So 1 XOR 1 is 0, and next this 0 is XORed with the next bit 0 0 0, and this is XORed with this one 0 plus 1 1, and 1 is XORed with the last bit 1 XOR operation of 1 0. So this is the gray to binary conversion.